Hello everyone, I am Leo Vivek. If you want to know how to remove watermark from Kinemaster for free, stick around until the every end of this video. I hope you can learn from me after this video. But before we start, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon notification down below, so we'll be updated with my other videos. So let's start. So now we'll go to the app. This Kinemaster, which one you guys are using. For example, I'll just take this one. Edit. Like saying, guys, this is the thing. If you want to delete from here, if you want to, you have to pay. It shows that you have to pay, but today I'm going to show how to use in free. Okay, so let's close this one. So if you are making any video and if it's showing like this, your logo, it doesn't look your videos is like professional. So whoever is coming, people, if they are visiting the first time, they will not subscribe your channel. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just back. Okay, so just whatever you have, the old Kinemaster, just uninstall. Okay, after that go to the Google Chrome. What you have to search, RADRAVDL.com. Okay, this is the one of the best best website, so you can search from here any website. You will just search here Kinemaster, then search. Okay, after you search, the first you will see the Kinemaster. You just need to click here. Okay, after you click, you just need to go down. It's all written about the regarding Kinemaster and these things. Just need to go down, scroll. There is one is Google Pay and another one is go to download page, guys. Okay, you have to click what you will do. Go to download page, click here, first one. You don't need to confuse. From the Google browser, it's already downloading. Once you are doing, it's already download. So what you have to do, go back. After you download, it will take a while time for downloading. After that, you have to go file. Okay, then download manager. I just showing you guys because I already downloaded also. Wait for the moment. Yeah, for getting a good video, you must need to have a good video, a good presentation. If you are giving a good presentation, get 1000 subscriber. The first 1000 subscriber is the hardest thing ever. Like, if you, I don't need to say that, you guys knows already. So you have to take care with this thing. You will go here, then what you have to do, just install. Okay, so whatever you had in previous Kinemaster, it will be saved there. It will not going to be delete. This one only the premium one, which I'm downloading from Google Chrome. So you'll just go open. You just need to click allow, then you go. Like, for example, take one video on any videos. Like, for example, For example, see, now you guys can check edit. No, it is not showing any kind master here. If you want to, now you can edit it. Okay, this is the easiest way. Hope you guys like my video. If you like my video and if you learn from me, guys, I will be updating more videos regarding Kinemaster or regarding to how to make the best video, so you guys can get more help, and you guys can get supported. Okay, this is the video, guys. Thank you, thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, have a lovely day, guys.